Greg Nesbitt, didn't take the stand in his own defense. A judge, not a jury, will decide his fate. That's because Nesbitt waived his right to a jury trial. Now, the judge will have to determine whether the building at 20 Noyes Street was being run as a boarding rooming house or a single-family dwelling. Different codes apply, and that's what's important here. 6 people between the ages of 23 and 29 died after a Halloween party. Improperly discarded cigarettes are blamed for sparking that fire, which broke out on a porch and spread quickly, trapping 3 people in a third-floor apartment. Prosecutors saying that was an illegal apartment. And that was just one of many safety violations, they say, that led to the deaths of those 6 people. Nesbitt's lawyer, however, says the young people lived there as a family and single-family codes should apply. Prosecutors, though, say Nesbitt knew there was a problem when he installed a rope ladder on the 3rd floor.
Knowing full well that if a fire happened, they couldn't get down those stairs. Totally reckless thing to do. The windows were far too small. You've heard ample testimony about that, and they had no chance whatsoever, Judge.
There really is no violation in any event. The status of the windows on the 3rd floor didn't contribute to the causation, the deaths in this matter whatsoever.
Now, many of the victims' family members were in court all week here, but they are withholding any comment, they tell us, until after the verdict. Meanwhile, the judge is telling us it could be a week, possibly 2, before he decides what that verdict will be. Meanwhile, if Nesbitt is found guilty on these 6 manslaughter charges, he could spend up to 30 years in prison. We're live in Portland tonight. Jim Keithley, WMTW News 8.